2022 Toyota Camry. With less than 63,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, auto climate control. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.